you want to go to Ikea, you can ride MRT from Trinoma if you are from the north of Metro Manila. But it's more convenient to ride a carousel or a bus going to Pitex and stop at Mall of Asia instead of riding MRT. Ikea na ako. Ayan, akit na tayo sa Ikea. Tara, samahan niyo ako, guys. Ayan, guys, bawal palang pumunta rito kapag walang booking. So, buti na lang, yung isang pumasok is kulang sila ng isa, so nakapasok ako. Ayan. So, may natutunan tayo ngayong araw na to. Ikea in China, they don't have an appointment to go there. You can go anytime. But here in the Philippines, you need to book before you enter Ikea. I'm thinking they are doing this, it's because of the pandemic and they want to limit the people who will come here. So actually, meron ako nito kaya lang luma na siya. 1,590. This one looks like a magnetic cabinet. This design is good for the people who loves to have an indoor plants. Oh, boxes. One thing I love IKEA is because you can get some ideas on how to design your house. Oh, I like this painting. Like ko talaga siya. Turn over for more info. Market hall. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the finest of them all? I like this cabinet. How are you going to design your toilet? So just take a look at this. Nice. This is a kitchen setup that you can get some ideas.
Dear shoppers, we are committed to the well-being of our visitors, customers, and co-workers.
Oops.
We request everyone to please wear your face mask at all times. Maintain 1 meter social distancing and use of hand sanitizer. These reminders ensure that our store remains safe.
This is a very nice design for a kitchen cabinet. It's not magnetic, you just need to push that and then the door will open. In this part, you can see different style of sofa. So if you are planning to buy a sofa, you can come and visit Ikea. Guys, let's have a rest first and then sit here on the sofa. If your house has a second floor, you can take a look at this design. So below the stairs, you can put some cabinets, like open cabinets. And I'm here now in cabinet section, so you can take a look and maybe you can get some design that is fit to your house. You know guys, I have like this and I bought that in China, Ikea, and I put that in my boutique shop, Cats 21 boutique shop, and it's already closed but I haven't put that in my house. And these are type of cabinet that you can put your TV. This is a utensil area that you can buy many unique stuff and put it in your kitchen. And if you love paintings, so here it is. They also have different paintings that you can put on your living room or in your bedroom. If you love pictures and want to display that in your house, then beautiful picture frames and different sizes are here at Ikea. Cats. Cats is the most beautiful among them all. Uy, mura. 1,900 lang. Kaya lang paano ko siya mabibit-bit pa uwi. Pag binili ko siya. Heavy duty. This is good for your balcony. These are the couches for balconies.
Dear shoppers, we are committed to the well-being of our visitors, customers, and co-workers. We request everyone to
If you love carpet, so IKEA offers you different kinds and colors of carpet, and the prices are very affordable, and of course it is good quality. As I can see here, there are thick carpets and there are some thin carpets here. IKEA sells chocolate, and I always buy chocolate every time I go here. However, today I did not buy any because they only have few selections, and it is dark chocolate. I got hungry, so let's buy some snack before going home. Come on, guys. So, sa labas ng cashier, merong food, kaya lang, walang share. Pero yung restaurant talaga nila nandun sa pinakang taas sa entrance. I went to check on their toilet, and this is high technology. You don't need to press anything, just wave and then it will automatically flush. Uwian na, guys. Kung mahina kayo sa lamig, guys, magdala kayo ng jacket. It's very cold inside IKEA, so please bring your jacket if you will visit this store. I am now outside walking towards bus station, so I need to ride bus going to Pitex. Ito ang globo! Yay! O, diba? Check natin. Mag-iiba yung kulay niya. Bakit Chinese character yun? Chinese character? O, diba? Ang pailaw ng SM. Ang ganda. SM Mall of Asia.